According to local counselors, the need for services for mental health help has increased since the pandemic began. That is something we are seeing in most all age groups.
As News 19's Tai Wong explains, some people are having to wait weeks for an appointment.
For me personally, I had to wait, I think like 3 or 4 weeks before I could see anyone.
Lily Jacobs is a local college student. She says the mental health crisis is impacting more than just her schoolwork.
Especially with, coronavirus and everything going on in the pandemic. It's kind of a misconception that it's not a serious issue or it's something that a lot of people can just deal with on their own.
Licensed counselor Julie Lundy says she's seeing an increase in young adult patients.
We have found ourselves and other practices in a similar situation where just the volume of need we don't have enough people to meet the need at times.
Lundy explains waiting for services could create more problems for patients.
They're not able to receive services when they need those services. That certainly can increase those symptoms or cause more symptoms to occur.
Lundy adds appointments can be expensive, but you could still receive help if you can't afford it.
You can talk with a therapist if you feel like there are financial barriers to receiving services, and often therapists are happy to work with you on that.
Lundy says if they are booked, they will help offer a referral to another counselor. Reporting in Columbia, Tai Wong, News 19 WLTX.
If you don't want to speak with a specialist, counselors encourage breathing exercises and other self-care exercises to de-stress yourself. The State Education Department has partnered with Mental Health America of Greenville to support the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. The goal to help minimize the impact of COVID-19 on a child's mental health. In 2019, a 2-year grant allowed the hotline to serve the entire state. The grant ended this past September. The Education Department provided $250,000 in funding to preserve the hotline until additional funding is secured this year. Students can call 1-800-273-8255 to get connected with a crisis intervention specialist and local resources. And if your child carries a school ID, that number is on the back of their school ID.